Hey, welcome back to another tutorial session here with B. This time we're going to have Three Chords and The Truth by Chase Rice. So, like in the song, literally three songs, the whole entire song. The easy thing for you guys to realize on this one is that you're actually going to be playing the same exact chord progression throughout the whole song. So, you're going to start on a C chord to A minor, and then you're going to play an F, and then back to the C. So it's going to be in 4/4 time. So I'm going to go ahead and play the intro lick for you guys. And if you watched the video with me and my good friend Jay the other week ago, we talked about these hammer-on and pull-offs while you're strumming. Well, this song's going to have them in here. It's not a make it or break it deal if you can't do that. And even if you can't do it at the moment, it's a good song to work your way up because it's a little slower, especially on the chord. Well, the chorus feels more upbeat, but you're actually strumming. The verses and everything is more so picked, and it's kind of hidden behind a lot of other tracks. So here's the intro. So basically you're going to be playing that kind of progression. And now I use a flat pick and my middle finger to pick on that one. So every time I go, I kind of give it like a strum, and then I'll hammer on this middle finger. And then I'm going to up pick with that middle finger after that. That's pretty much how it's done, from what I can hear on the track. And you really can't go wrong as long as you're still playing something in 4/4. I mean, you could pretty much do any kind of finger picking pattern over that. If you're just gonna, sing it around a campfire song and whatnot, and the key points to this song are gonna focus on the lyrics and singing it. So I think that's gonna be your biggest bet in getting someone to recognize this song and playing in the right key. And I did find there was, I think, one tab up online or something, and it was talking about playing in like E flat or something. And I actually didn't try it. I just took a capo and went straight to it and found right on the 3rd fret, C, A minor, and F are the chords, and it's gonna be the easiest, most basic way to play this song. So with that being said, that's 3 chords right there. Beginning on C to A minor, F, and you're gonna end on C. And then when you go into the next chord progression, you're gonna start back up on C. So it's almost like you're playing C 2 times in a row. If you were familiar with looking at like a chorded kind of tab or something like that. So basically from this little, it'll go into the chorus like, so same thing, but I'm doing a little bit of this. Alright, so that's the strumming pattern to the song, and that's basically all there is to it, is, on the chord picking part and the strumming part. So lastly, and this is going to be recording throughout the whole entire song, so I'm going to just go ahead and play the picking part, and then I'm going to go into a strumming part so you guys kind of feel the transition on it. So guys got it. It's a easy 3-chorded song, and the truth, but with C, A minor, and F. Don't forget your capos, guys. All right, please like, subscribe, and tell me how I'm doing. So I appreciate you guys watching. Tune in next week for another tutorial, and another thing we're considering doing is podcasts. So stay tuned for that too. I'm gonna have a good handful of people that have been playing music their whole lives as well, and just local artists and whatnot, and we're going to try to do at least once a month or something like that. So just stay tuned. Thanks, guys.